There was once a day that I
Good morning, guys. So, I'm going to share with you a face mask that I just started doing. I tried it with fresh leaves at first, fresh moringa leaves. It was really good. The outcome was pretty good, and then I thought it was really messy with the fresh leaves. There was so much liquid and everything, so I'm going to try it with dried moringa leaves. So I got the moringa leaves from our garden. I rinsed off the dust. I dried it under the sun for about 2 to 3 days. It's moringa leaves, so it doesn't really take that long to really dry properly. So after drying, I blended it, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's really smooth, but there are some particles in it that you can sieve. So I'm going to sieve it, and then I'm going to share with you guys the next step. This is really great if you have like dry skin. So I'm just like trying this on my face first, and maybe later on I can think of how to incorporate this into other parts of my skincare. Guys, I am about making breakfast this morning, so I need some of this. I don't know what it's called. I don't know the English name of this, but I'll just put it on the screen when I search it. But I know it's like kind of pepper. So this is what I want to take. I just want to take like maybe 2 or 3, so I can use this to make breakfast. This is why you should have your own personal garden in your house. It just makes meal preparations easier. So this is what I'm going to take for breakfast, to make my breakfast this morning. I'm making bread and eggs.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm just going to take some of this, just like 2. I'm going to use one for the face mask with the moringa leaf, and then I'm going to use the other one for my hair. So I've sieved the moringa powder. It is kind of finer now. There are no more particles like before. It's smoother now, and it will be very good to apply on. So I'm going to add in my fresh aloe vera gel into this. So I just made a few cuts into the leaf so I can extract the fresh gel. So here, this is how it looks like after mixing the aloe vera and the moringa together. So I'm just going to wash my face and then apply this all over my face, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay guys, I know this looks off, it doesn't look that pretty at all. It doesn't look pretty, but this is the end result of the mixture of the moringa powder and the aloe vera. It's just that maybe next time I'm going to think of what I can add to it. I can add something extra to it so that it like really forms like a better paste than this, because as I'm looking at myself, I can't even look at myself right now. It's not pretty at all, but the end result is what we are going for. Okay,
2,000 years later.
it feels so amazing. If you have dry skin, you should definitely try this out. It's super affordable. You just need aloe vera gel and moringa powder.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
And this is me right here. Just look at me. So guys, I'm over at my sister's place. She has a gown that she made over here. The definition of leper. Strike a pose. Ooh. So guys, look at the beautiful dresses that my sister made. She made this one for a customer. It's so cute, guys. This is how the back looks like. Let me turn it here. So this is the back of the dress that she made. So pretty. I think for a 2-year-old, I'm not sure, but it's for a customer's daughter. So gorgeous. I just like the detail here. Wow, just look at the back. This is really pretty. So I'm currently at my sister's place right now. So from the market I came over here. So that's what I usually do whenever I come to my sister's place. I get some things at the market because it's kind of cheaper here than where I live.
You could never do before, and even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no